All right, we're gonna get some wings going. We have some full big wings. I like the wings big. All we're gonna do is line these around the outside so we are getting this indirect heat. These wings are looking good. We seasoned these up with the barbecue Vortex poultry seasoning. It's got an awesome color, smells great, and I know it's gonna taste great too. We're gonna get this lid on this Weber. We have the intakes and exhaust wide open. We want this thing to get as much airflow as it can through this to really get them wings crisped up. So we're just gonna get the lid on. We're gonna let these wings roll for about 10 minutes. We're gonna rotate this lid then, and I'm looking at a total cook time of about 35 minutes. These wings have been going right at 50 minutes. See how we did. Looking good. I can hear some sizzle going on. Some of the skin's bubbling up, so we know this chicken is done. The color's amazing, it smells amazing. Get yourself a barbecue Vortex where you can cook wings just like these.